Hi guys, welcome back for a new video. Lots of things happened this week in the bird gallery, that's why I decided to upload an extra video. The temperature is getting higher, the days are getting longer, so the birds are getting more and more in breeding shape. As you can see, the purple-breasted golden finches are already very busy building their nest. More of that later on in the video. We will first check the white-breasted golden finches. As you can see, the male is back with his mate. It turned out that the young golden finch was just as guilty for the bald spots on the female golden finch as the male. It was continuously pecking its mother. So I decided it was time for the little boy or girl to move to a new place of his own. Always a special moment in your life, moving away from your parents. This also means that the male could be reunited with his mate again. He was very happy to see her and almost immediately started his little dance. Also the female was happy to see him again. They are both rapidly shaking their heads and you can see her tail vibrating very quickly, which is an acceptance response toward the dancing male. No breeding took place, but I'm sure it will not take long before they mate and start building a nest. All the other couples started last week already with their breeding season. We have some little hiccups with both the star finches and owl finches. They tend to lay their eggs on the ground instead of using the breeding box. I don't know exactly why, but we will change some little things so hopefully they will start using the nest boxes. For the owl finches we switched the nest box from half open to one with only a circular entrance and decorated the surrounding to make the nest box appear more hidden for the birds. For the star finches we also added some plants to camouflage the entrance of the nest box. Hopefully this will make sure they will use the nest box instead of the ground. But we also have some good news. The purple-breasted golden finches already have a nest with 2 eggs. And they are not the only one. The golden pearl quails have already 2 eggs. She laid them on 2 different places, so we have to wait to see which hidden spots she will use to breed. And also the wild colored female quail has an egg. Lots of things happened last week for the quails, which I will cover in another video, but for now it seems to go pretty good. Let's check on the white-breasted golden finches on how they are doing and enjoy this fun fact. For the nest of this bird we need a nest box which is a little bigger than ours. I hope you liked this video. If so, smash that like button and consider subscribing. If you don't want to miss any update of the bird gallery, also hit that bell icon so you get notified if I post a new video. See you in the next video and remember, stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!